Mon Music Festival 2019 to be held from 1st February till 3rd of February. This year they will be focusing on Goan music like greats like Sonia Sirsad will be performing for this festival. This year it will be held on Mount Chapel, Old Goa.
So the 7th edition of Monte Festival will be held from the 1st to the 3rd of February at the chapel and the courtyard of Our Lady of Mont in Old Goa. We have normally a unique blend of international, national, local artists, but this year, as Nita also mentioned, we are actually giving a big impulse to the Goaness of this festival, meaning we will have artists that either perform in Western or Indian tradition, but majority of them are from Goa.
The details of which would be given definitely by Ines. But on behalf of Siddharth, I'd just like to mention that we've been partnering with this event for more than 16 years. So this is the 17th year. And something that we believe in very strongly is to retain the essence of Goa, the art, the folk, the music, anything that gives Goa its identity from the lineage of Portuguese times. And this is something that we've been very proud of being associated with. Not only that the venue is a fantastic, stellar kind of a backdrop that it provides, but Fundasa Orient, whom we partner with, always get the best of performers, and the show starts from the 1st of February and goes on for the 3 days, the first weekend of February.